In this tutorial, I am going to demonstrate how you import data from an existing contact list in Excel to the contact list that we've just created in SharePoint. So the first thing I'm going to do is bring up that contact list that I have in Excel, like this, and drag it down so I can see the actual names. So what I've noticed is that the columns I have here are not quite the same as the ones that are actually in the default list. So that means I'm going to have to modify this list here to be exactly the same, and it's exactly the same order as the data that I have here. How do I do that? Well, the first thing I do is click on the List tab, top right hand corner, click on the List Settings, and there you will see, if you scroll down, all of the fields that you have at your disposal. So how do I get that list in a format where I can actually import the data from my Excel? Well, if you scroll down further, you will see some views. The default view is all contacts, and what I'm going to do is create a data input view. So I click on Create View, click on Start from an existing view, all contacts, give the view a name, and scroll down. So I know from the view that I have in Excel that I do not need some of these fields like attachments, but I do need last name, first name. I don't have company name, I don't have business phone, I have home phone, and I have the mobile number. So if I scroll down, I can see mobile number here, and I know that the mobile number is just next to the home phone number, which is 6. So I'll change this to 7. Let me take another look at my Excel sheet. So mobile phone, email, spouse, and nickname. So I go back to my list. I don't seem to be able to find a spouse there. So that's something that I will have to add later on. But for now, what I'll do is I will save this list, press OK. And then I can compare it again to what I have in Excel. Last name, first name, home phone, mobile phone number, email address. All I'm missing now is spouse and nickname. Now when SharePoint creates a list, they create a whole bunch of fields in the background, but you just need to add them to that list. Again, go into the List tab, click on List Settings, scroll down, and then click on Add from Existing Site Columns. That'll give you another few options. Click in there. There we go. Start typing spouse. That's one that I need. And then NI, nickname, add that as well. Press OK. Click back on Demo Contacts. Go back to the list and click on the data input view that we've just created. So that gives us last name, first name, home, mobile number, and email address. So we need to just add the nickname, the spouse, and the nickname. So if I look down here, I can see spouse and nickname. Press OK. I see the nickname of the spouse, so they're run the wrong way, so I click on modify this view, go back down, change the order of the spouse to be before the nickname, back to OK, and there we have it. So now if I click on edit this view, I've already copied the data that I need, so just press on Control V, allow, and there we have it all pasted in. Again, if I now go back to Outlook and press F9, that list is synchronized. And the same as if I go back to the original Excel sheet. I can grab some more data and copy it in the same way. That way you can complete your data import in very few steps. And that's about it for importing data.